Plug in and profit with this 100% completely done for you sales funnels in as little as 12 minutes. With absolutely no tech or web design skills needed to have your own autopilot, online money making business. 100% done for you affiliate sales funnels. 100% newbie friendly. Build an email list and generate sales at the same time. Zero website or product creation. Push button traffic solution and done for you opt-in pages. Your own internet business for about the price of a cup of coffee a day. But before you go any further, please open your ears and listen up. If you want to earn money online from the comfort of your own home, you are going to need some ingredients to put the entire make money online puzzle together. You will still need the following. Number 1, a quality product or products to promote. Number 2, a way to find interested people to buy the product or products. Number 3, a website and sales funnel for each page. Number 4, a follow-up series of emails for your prospects. Number 5, a domain name and website hosting. These are the ingredients that you will need. And if it is your goal to build the right, online money-making system to earn autopilot commissions, there simply is no way around this. If you can get all of these functioning properly by yourself, you're good to go. However, for most people there is a problem that persists. It is not easy getting all these things taken care of and positioned in the proper order, but it has to be done. You see, making a full-time income online is all about conversions. It is about the ability your product or sales funnel has to take website visitors and turn them into buyers, so that you earn commissions. In case you haven't noticed, a ton of time can go into making a product or creating a sales funnel. And this is why most people get overwhelmed and they get stuck or worse quit. Because it actually does involve quite a bit of tech work and copywriting skills. For most, it's extremely difficult to not only know all of the right ingredients, much less have all of those ingredients perfectly mixed in a way that allows your online business to generate sales 24/7, even while you're sleeping. Believe it or not, people actually try to do all of this stuff on their own. You could outsource everything required to get your own money-making sales funnels up and running. But you better be prepared to cough up thousands of dollars to afford everything you need. Let's break it all down in a real-world scenario where we assume that you hire professionals to get the job done for you. Professional copywriters, website developers, digital product creators, the whole 9 yards. This is a rough estimate of what you'd be looking at. A quality product in a hungry niche market for which interested prospects will gladly hand over money could cost up to $2,000 and 30 to 45 days to create. Professionally written follow-up messages, because it takes the average person seeing an offer several times before they're likely to buy, could cost up to $800 for 20 follow-up messages. Techie stuff, fully set up and integrated autoresponder, hosting, domain, etc. could cost up to $400 for help setting this up. A high-converting sales funnel that first turns traffic into opt-ins, and then turns those opt-ins into buyers. This could cost up to $1,497 including copywriting to create. That's a total of $4,697 just to get other people to help you set everything up. This doesn't even include traffic. Who on earth has that kind of money just laying around? The answer? Not that many people, and this is where another problem comes into play. If regular, everyday people are aspiring to have their very own, online money-making sales funnels up and running, they can't even afford the out-of-pocket cost to get everything set up. With that in mind, there has got to be a smarter, more effective and much more cost-efficient way of doing things. And there is. Many people consider affiliate marketing to be the easiest way to make money online. But why? Well, when put up against all of the other make money online methods, it seems that affiliate marketing is the one that tends to overcome most, if not, all of these obstacles. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is simply the process by which an individual earns money by marketing the product of another individual. Here's how it's designed to work. Someone else creates the product and sales process. You just send people who might be interested to their site. You earn commissions every time someone purchases. No making your own product. No building your own websites. No techie stuff. No taking weeks to get started. No huge barriers to entry. No prior experience needed. No customer support. No figuring out payment processing. After years of trial and error and trying to make it online, I stumbled across affiliate marketing, which is, in my opinion, second to none, and once I really got a firm grip on it, things took off, and it wouldn't surprise me if there are millions of other marketers that share this story. In and of itself, affiliate marketing is easy. You join an affiliate network, select a product, promote it, and earn commissions. That's it. Everything sounds all gravy, but even affiliate marketing has its downfalls and can be a headache if people fail to take the correct approach. Many affiliate marketers fail because they take the approach of doing things the wrong way, which is sending website visitors directly to an affiliate product. The wrong way. Sending the buyers straight to the sales page of a product. This is a huge no-no, simply because of the fact that most people don't buy a product when they first see it. What's even worse? If affiliate marketers buy traffic for, let's say $200, and if they don't make one sale, they just flush $200 right down the toilet. The right way. If the approach of doing things the right way is taken, any seasoned affiliate marketer will know that they need to first send their visitors to what's called a capture page. From there, interested visitors will enter their email addresses to opt into a follow-up series of emails, then they will proceed to buy the offer or not. 9 times out of 10, when things are done this way, sales are made, commission checks are in the mail, and it's a win all the way around. Over the years, we have tried, tested, and perfected the entire affiliate marketing process. To the point where any random person off the street can get up, running, and seeing results in as little as 48 hours. And just when we thought that it couldn't get much easier than that, we incorporated a new twist with it to make it 12 times easier and 12 times more effective. It's a system that has been tried, battle-tested, and proven. Is simple, especially for beginners. Can allow you to pocket affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Can make you as much as you want, no income cap. Will allow you to earn from multiple streams of income. And much, much more. So, are you ready to get off the home business hamster wheel? Introducing the 12-minute affiliate system. The 12-minute affiliate is a new, revolutionary online marketing system that simplifies the entire money-making process and makes it easy for even the newest affiliate marketer to get everything set up before you go to bed tonight. It's a 100% easy, done-for-you system designed to help you generate leads and sales, even if you've never made a sale online before. 100% newbie-friendly. Designed to generate both leads and affiliate sales on autopilot. You never have to create your own product. There is absolutely no prior experience needed. A complete online affiliate business in $1 million or even $1 billion niche market for about the price of a cup of coffee a day. Earn money and build your list at the same time. Completely done for you affiliate sales funnels. Do you have any idea how much easier affiliate marketing just got? With 12-minute affiliate, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1: personalize the system so that the affiliate commissions go to you. Step 2: add done-for-you traffic. This takes as little as 2 quick minutes. Step 3: collect your affiliate commissions. You keep 100% of your earnings. This is the easy solution for making more sales with affiliate networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Max Bounty. For generating PayPal commissions. 12-minute affiliate is the easiest way to succeed online. Here's why you need to pick it up today. It's simple even for beginners. Most systems out there designed to help you profit online are not as simple or as easy as they claim. There's usually loads of techie stuff to do, and you start to hit speed bumps and get frustrated 5 minutes in. But with 12-minute affiliate, even the newest newbie can start getting results with the system their very first week. You can profit daily. Once you've got everything up and running, it's not uncommon to earn online commissions multiple times a week or even multiple times a day. And while there's no way to know exactly how much you'll make, we'll tell you that our top members regularly make online affiliate commissions on an almost daily basis. It creates multiple streams of income. Imagine you had a system that automatically promotes multiple different affiliate products for you, simultaneously. This means that you could earn commissions from more than one product the same day. Again, this is quite a common occurrence for our top members. And who knows, it could be for you too. Fast and easy setup. Even if you're not very tech savvy and it takes you longer than 12 minutes, there's a 90% chance you'll be able to have the entire system up and running before you go to bed tonight. Heck, there's even an option to have our team set your entire system up for you. You can see results quickly. Once the system is set up, and you've gotten your done-for-you traffic, both of which can be done today, seeing results shouldn't take very long. Most members start seeing their email list grow within the first several days, and it's not uncommon for members to see their first commissions not long after that. It's the perfect side business. Still have a full-time job and a packed schedule? That's no problem. You can literally grow your affiliate marketing business using the 12-minute affiliate system, using whatever spare time you've got. Only have 5 hours a week on a Sunday evening? Cool. Only have about an hour each night before you go to bed? That works too. Work from anywhere, laptop lifestyle. You only need 3 things to get results with 12-minute affiliate. Number 1, a desktop or laptop computer. Number 2, an internet connection. Number 3, a willingness to follow simple instructions consistently. Therefore, you can literally work from anywhere in the world. It grows your email list. If you've been trying to make money online for more than 5 minutes, then you've probably heard the saying, the money is in your list. Having a niche-specific email list that you can offer affiliate products to is the lifeblood of your business and the number 1 secret of $100,000 earners. With 12-minute affiliate, building your list is a breeze. Done for you email follow UPS. You've probably heard the saying, the fortune is in the follow-up. Well, if you have, you know it's 100% true. But following up with your leads can be very time-consuming. That's why 12-minute affiliate comes with months of follow-up emails built into the system. Just let the system follow up for you while you're sleeping or with your family. No creating your own product's website. One of the biggest challenges most people face when trying to start their own online business is know what to sell, and how to sell it. With affiliate marketing, knowing what to sell is easy because someone else has already created the product. And with the 12-minute affiliate system, knowing how to make sales has already been taken care of. With our 60-day 100% money-back guarantee, there is absolutely no risk on your behalf. For a full 60 days and for less than 10 measly bucks, you can give the 12-minute affiliate system a test drive and put it to work for you. There aren't too many systems out there online that are willing to put their money where their mouth is. But we are. We will let you test drive the entire system for the price of a Starbucks coffee and donut, and if you like it, you get to keep it. For some bizarre reason, if you don't like the 12-minute affiliate system, just let us know within the refund period, and we'll cancel your account and refund every penny. No questions asked. Are you ready to change your life for your zero-risk test drive of the system? Here's exactly what the 12-minute affiliate system consists of. Done for you affiliate funnels in the hottest niche markets, a $2,240 value. No HTML, no coding, no hosting, and no techie stuff. The 12-minute affiliate system includes ready-to-go affiliates funnels in the hottest and most profitable niche markets like making money from home, weight loss, and personal development. Just personalize the system so that the leads go onto your email list, and affiliate commissions go to your bank account. Professionally written follow-up emails done for you, a $3,200 value. The fortune is in the follow-up. That's why the 12-minute affiliate system includes months' worth of professionally written, done for you follow-up messages. No hiring expensive copywriters, and nothing for you to write yourself. You'd easily pay a professional copywriter $40 to $50 or more per email. But with the 12-minute affiliate, it's all included. 12 minute setup. Copy, paste simple instructions, no tech skills needed. Our simple step-by-step instructions make it easy for even the newest online marketer to have the system set up quickly. The fastest we've ever seen someone set the system up is 12 short minutes. But even if it takes you a little longer, you can still have it all set up before you go to bed tonight. There's even an option for us to set it up for you. EZ Funnel Wizard. Create custom, on-demand funnels in minutes. Similar funnel building systems cost $97 a month or more. And they're not as easy to use as the 12-minute affiliate funnel wizard. With Funnel Wizard, you can create your own custom affiliate funnels in as little as 5 minutes. No coding or copywriting needed. Private community. Private Facebook community and free private training. The free monthly trainings alone are easily worth $97 per month. But when you add in access to a mastermind of members who are already crushing it, this feature alone is worth more than the price of the system. Now you can be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. This done-for-you traffic solution is easy as ordering a pizza. Traffic is the lifeblood of your online business. And we've just made it super easy. Our easy traffic solution allows you to get targeted niche traffic in minutes based on your budget. Just choose how much traffic you want, and we'll take care of it for you. Bonuses. Bonus number 1, the free traffic guide. Discover 16 ways to get free traffic to your website. Including, how to get free traffic from Twitter and Facebook, how to get traffic from other people's blogs, and how to get traffic just by posting pictures online. A $97 value. Bonus number 2, the Success Library. Instant access to a library of personal development training. Discover how to unlock your true potential, balance your life, end procrastination, and much, much more. Over 15 titles in all, a $497 value. Bonus number 3, hot product promotions. The system will automatically promote hot affiliate products for you. Just use your 12-minute affiliate system as normal. As long as everything is set up, and you've got traffic coming to the system, we'll regularly promote the hottest affiliate products for you. Zero additional work on your part. A $997 per year value. That's a total value of $7,031. But you get unlimited access to try everything for just $7.95 for 14 days. Right now, you are at a critical moment in your life. As John C. Maxwell would say, at some point or another, everyone who aspires to make money online, whether it be a full-time or part-time income, comes across one of these critical moments. It is a moment where you need to make a very important decision. In this case, it is regarding whether or not you move forward, accelerate your path to success, and say yes to the life you've always wanted. The cold hard truth is that when it comes to your online business, you've got two options. Option A, figure it out yourself. You can spend weeks, months, or even a couple years of trial, error, and failure and go thousands of dollars in debt trying to learn the ins and outs of the internet and master the process of exactly how to make money online. Option B, invest in the 12-minute affiliate system. You can save so much of your precious time, God knows you can't get it back, save yourself from having to go thousands of dollars in debt, and save yourself weeks, months, or even years of frustration and just hop right into a turbocharged system that is already built, turn the key and go. Which would you choose? Well, we don't know about you, but it seems to us that the only logical thing to do would be to choose option B. Why? Hopefully some wise words from Tony Robbins can shed some light on why we feel this way. If you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do and you'll achieve the same results. So, are you ready to change your life with our zero-risk free system? If so, click the link in the description below to get instant access now.